welcome back. I'm Tun Gamer and today we're building Darth Vader's chest piece and belt. It's a really simple build and it's definitely good for cosplay. It even looks good on IG-11. So let's get into the video. The first step in making out Darth Vader's iconic chest piece is by finding design. We were able to find an amazing design in Thingiverse by Mike the Super Dad. It's absolutely incredible. Link in the description. Straight off the printer, it looks amazing without any sanding or painting either. I bet once we're done it's going to look absolutely incredible. We printed some of the buttons and other parts on the Anycubic resin printer to make them look really clear, which means the LEDs will be able to flicker and look really amazing. Next we need to sand it, fill it, prime it and paint it. We filled, sanded, primed and painted it a nice glossy black, and I think the chest piece turned out pretty well in the end. For the metal switches we run out the gunmetal spray to make them a nice silver colour. Some of the parts need to be really shiny, so we decided to get an enamel chrome and just slobber them in that. For the coin slots, we got some sellotape and stuck it in there so the chrome won't go through, which means that we can shine the LEDs through with no problems at all. It's out. After waiting a couple of weeks, the snow boat from China arrived where I got my screws. Now, I was able to screw in the little screws into these, and I got this little strap here to put in the LEDs later. I've also made it so I can unscrew these at any time so I can move it to any part of Darth Vader's chest plate. And I think it worked out pretty well in the end. For the electronics I use a knockoff Arduino Nano and RGB LEDs and then soldered it straight to the board. This allows us to make it all flashy and make it really good. Once we put it all together, we used a battery pack and a USB cable to put it all together. We went onto the RPF and found an accurate representation of what Darth Vader's light patterns go with, which allows it to make it super nice and realistic. Once I finished Darth Vader's chest piece, I realised it would be a good idea to do Darth Vader's belt boxes as well. So we then went back to the RPF forum to find accurate measurements of Darth Vader's belt boxes and light. We then went on the Fusion 360 and modelled the belt boxes. We modelled all the parts individually so we could put them in coloured resin and we could backlight them. We then sanded, painted and printed them out, and then we soldered them together, making it all light up and flashy. I'll upload the buckle boxes and greeblies to Cult 3D for you all to enjoy, link in the description. So guys, hope you have a chance to build it yourself. It looks really good on a Darth Vader costume, and I even think it would be super cheap for you guys, because it was cheap for me, even with all the electronics. So I'm Tun Gamer, and I'll see you guys next time.